to understand authorization hold after a dollar car rental. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. So authorization hold at the time of rental, dollar places an authorization hold on the card provided to cover the estimated rental charges plus any additional charges that may occur on rent. And if you rent with a credit card, dollar will release the hold on the deposit within 24 hours of vehicle's return. Your bank can take up to 10 days to release the fund as well. You can contact your bank if you need it. And if you rent with debit card, the whole amount depends on your bank's policy. So make sure you check your bank's policy. And if you provided a cash deposit and dollar did not have sufficient cash at return location to reimburse you in full, a check will be sent within 14 business days of return of the vehicle to the address on the rental agreement. And this is how to understand authorization holds after a dollar car rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.